In 1867, an American inventor by the name Christopher Sholes was inspired by an article on a British device and decided to refine the design. In 1868, he, along with Carlos Glidden and Samuel Soule, were awarded the patent for the typewriter. While the typewriter was impressive, it was one of those inventions you had to see to truly understand the impact. So while Remington at first saw modest success, it was exhibiting the typewriter at the 1876 Centennial Exposition that kicked sales into high gear. An author by the name of Mark Twain attended the Centennial and is widely believed to be the first author to have used a typewriter.